Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to use free spin on a Bet365 account. Now if you want to use free spin on a Bet365 account but you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. Now to use the free spin on Bet365, check your free spin offer. Free spins are usually part of promotion or welcome offer. They may be granted for specific games or deposit games or a part of a loyalty reward. So ensure that there is a free spin reward for you waiting for you to spin. So to use the free spin, make sure to log into your Bet365 account. So you may log in by using the username and password, and from there you need to find the game with free spins. Now you may navigate to the casino section and click on the casino tab. So after that you need to check the game or the slot if you are waiting for free spin. So if your free spin are provided on a specific game, then you need to click on those game and you need to activate your free spin by clicking on the option of click on the offer, and you will be able to play the game and use the free spin on your Bet365. So you may also win from 365, and any winning from the free spin will be added to your bonus balance, and you may meet the requirement before you can withdraw those winnings. So that's it. That's how you can use the free spins on Bet365. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.